What's up guys, Alec here, and Captivate have just announced that they're shutting down their app. The app Captivate, which is an automation tool for Instagram which allows you to unfollow and follow automatically, is shutting down their app. Captivate announced on their blog this afternoon that they are shutting down their app due to the action block issue which arose a few weeks ago. They said that they didn't manage to find a fix for this issue, and for a lot of the Captivate users, the app no longer works anymore. And due to the fact that it doesn't work for a lot of people anymore, they've decided to remove it from the App Store. However, some people reported that the app still works for them, and I've tested it out this afternoon. The app still seems to be working for me. Due to the fact that it still works for some people, although they decided to remove it from the App Store, the app is still going to continue to operate so that the users for whom it works can still use it. They've disabled the ability to upgrade to purchase any of the Pro or Cloud options within the app, and the Cloud service is going to continue running for 6 months, and it's going to close down on the 31st of December 2019. If you've recently purchased this app, Captivate has said that it will give you a refund. I'm going to provide the link in the description of this video. And if you downloaded this app before the 26th of June but you happen to delete it, you can still download it again if you go to your app store and then you go to the purchased items and you scroll down and you can find Captivate in there. And on a final note, the cleaner app is still going to be running as normal because unfollows, unlikes and blocks do not count as spam on Instagram. So I think this is another step towards Instagram combating Instagram automation. The fact that Captivate, such a big service, has closed down due to the action block issues, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a lot more Instagram automation softwares go bust in the future. So that was the video for today, guys. I just wanted to update you with this quick news. I want to know, do you use Captivate? Have you used it before? And have you been affected by Captivate shutting down? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.
It's just another Hollywood weekend.